In this guide, I'm going to show you how to export your Figma prototype as a video or GIF using a plugin. This is especially useful when you want to share your designs with someone who doesn't have Figma, or when you want to showcase your prototype in presentations, social media posts, or portfolios. Turning your flow into a video makes it easier for people to understand how your design works without clicking through each screen manually. It also gives you a clean, polished way to demonstrate animations, transitions, and user interactions exactly how you intended them to look. To get started, open the Figma design file that you want to export as a video. Make sure you're in the correct file and that everything is laid out the way you want it. Next, confirm that you already have a prototype flow set up. This means you should have interactions defined between your frames so that Figma knows how one screen transitions to the next. If you don't have a flow built yet, you'll want to set that up first because the plugin depends on your existing prototype connections. Once your file is open and your prototype is ready, look at the bottom toolbar in Figma and click on the Action menu. This is where you can access extra functions, tools, and third-party additions. When the menu opens, find and select Plugins and Widgets. This will bring up a search bar where you can browse or load plugins directly from inside Figma. In the search box, type Export to Video. You'll see a plugin appear that allows you to convert your prototype into either a GIF or a video file. When you find the plugin, click on the option labeled Export to GIF Video. After clicking it, Figma will prompt you to run the plugin. Click the Run button and the plugin will begin loading inside your workspace. Once the plugin opens, it will automatically detect your prototype flow and start preparing it for export. Depending on how many frames and transitions you have, this may take a moment. The plugin will then generate either a GIF or a video file, depending on which option you select inside the plugin. When the process is finished, it will give you the file to download to your computer. You can now use this video anywhere, in presentations, on social media, in your portfolio, or when sharing your design with clients or teammates. That's all there is to it. Exporting your prototype to video is a quick way to make your design more shareable and easy to understand, and using a plugin makes the whole process simple.